everybody. So today is the most special day क्योंकि आज मेरी फाइनल ज्यूरी है. एक्सटर्नल ज्यूरी आज के दिन होने वाली है एंड पूरे सेमेस्टर जो मैंने काम किया आज उसका रिजल्ट मुझे देखने को मिलेगा. 5 लोगों का ग्रुप है जैसा आप लोगों को पता है एंड देखते हैं एक्सटर्नल ज्यूरर कैसे होते हैं और डिज़ाइन कैसा जाता है. लेट्स वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड. सुबह के 9 बज रहे हैं एंड वी आर डिसाइडिंग कि कौन कैसे प्रेजेंट करेगा. अभी सोलर डिकैथलॉन के जो बाकी के बिल्डिंग टाइपोलॉजी हैं उन पे डिस्कशन चल रहा है एंड दे आर हैविंग देयर crits right now. The crits is going for them and I'm watching the crits right now. So guys, the first group of resilience shelter, like there are two group of resilience shelter who are taking participation from our class. So the first group is presenting right now and after that is our turn. So let's see what will happen in our turn. So guys, this is the first time that I have to give online jury. तो कुछ चीज़ें तो ज़रूर ध्यान रखना. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल योर नेट कनेक्शन ज़रूरी है. अगर नेट कनेक्शन प्रॉपर नहीं है देन यू विल डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू फेस अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. एंड द अदर थिंग इज दैट get a silence zone. That is very compulsory because in home there is a lot of disturbance, so while you are presenting you don't want anyone to interfere in between, so be prepared for that also. So the third advice is that charge all your devices, whether it's phone, whether it's your laptop, because you might be needing to convey messages while jury and like when is the time of the jury, so that is also important. And other thing is that be confident about the jury. Like you have worked a lot throughout your semester, so this time you are going to kill it obviously because you have spent a lot of time in designing. And for me, like it's we started designing by the start of September, October, November, December. So yeah, 4 months we worked and now we are having like a great design that we can present to the jury and can tackle each and every question that they are going to throw upon us. So let's see kaisa jata hai. Inshallah everything will go fine and I will get really good marks. Let's see. About the jury member, so Tanmay Tathagat is one of the jury member and he is the director of environmental design solutions and he also did US Green Building Council. He was a part executive director of environmental design solution EDS. So yeah, he is a great juror. So he will be asking definitely a very logical question related to the green design that we are presenting for our self resilience shelter. This is how I will be looking online on a screen. So here is our 25 pages PDF. That is the main thing. Like this is the everything that we did. Everything is present in this 25 pages and we have compiled it beautifully. And whatever you can see is the render that we did. We as a team did all this thing that is present in this 25 pages. One more thing, like every jury won't be just judging you only on the architectural design, but for this semester, like we did this solar decathlon competition, and jury just won't be judging us on architectural design, but they will also looking about a lot of other things like net zero energy. The energy consumption of our building should be net zero. The water thing, like whether we are using water and are we harvesting our water. The resilience nature of our building. As we are constructing self-resilient shelter, then it should be resilient to the community and it should be resilience in nature. Other aspects are scalability, market potential, affordability, engineering and operation, innovation, and the main thing, like definitely presentation will be making a lot of difference in your design. Like you have to present, then your presentation should be well enough that it should reflect your ideas well and it should reflect your ideas properly, and they will be marking accordingly. They will be considering design also, but these things should be present in your design. That is mandatory for this semester. So let's see what will happen. And I'm totally excited and even exhausted because we are working for 4 months in a single design and we have given a lot of efforts as a group, as an individual unit as well. So these are the input that they are giving it to the group now. And after this we will be having our jury and you can see Anya Tathagat here. So he is the jury member, and our other member is this Vinod Gupta.
Called Zone O, and our site lies between the ISBT,
like the same shapes, and we placed over that. But here we incorporated
from a solar decathlon perspective, we really need to be able to have a specific number that you arrive at for your annual energy use. When it's a calamity, you'll have 300 people for an extended period of time. How are you going to provide energy and water at that time is something you need to definitely think of. It's not just a regular community shelter. It's, serving that calamity need. Look at the shape and size of the buildings. Looks like it's well shaded, but do the quantification and look at the area of renewable energy that you require, how it is stored, how is it used during calamity, and all of that. So thank you. That's all from me.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
तो गाइस फाइनली जूरी खत्म हो गई है, सेमेस्टर खत्म हो गया है, कॉलेज भी थोड़े दिन का ब्रेक मिला है. सो विंटर वेकेशन जो होती है, विंटर वेकेशन शुरू हो गया है. आई एम क्वाइट एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट क्योंकि बहुत काम था, सोलर डिकैथलॉन का काम है, और उसके बाद अब अच्छा खासा गैप मिलेगा दैट वी कैन एंजॉय. और सब लोग अपने घर पे ही हैं जैसा कि ऑनलाइन सेमेस्टर चल रहा है, तो इट विल बी फन. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द जूरी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी थी और उनको काफ़ी अच्छा लगा डिज़ाइन, एंड वी कैन टेक दिस डिज़ाइन फॉरवर्ड. सो इट्स लाइक दैट. सो रिलेटेड टू विंटर वेकेशन एंड न्यू ईयर प्लान, सो टुडे इज़ 30th December एंड एक्सटर्नल जूरी मेरी हो गई है, तो आई एम टोटली फ्री फॉर द न्यू ईयर. 2021 काफ़ी अच्छा जाने वाला है मेरा, आई गेस, बिकॉज अभी सोलर डिकैथलॉन इंडिया का सबमिशन भी अच्छा ही जा रहा है. एंड रिलेटेड टू यूट्यूब जो मैं वीडियो पोस्ट कर रहा हूँ, यू गाइज मेक दिस पॉसिबल कि हमारी फैमिली जो है वो 500+ की हो गई है. एंड एटमॉस्फेयर इज अ फैमिली ऑफ 500+, एंड बहुत ज़्यादा ही खुशी की बात है ये. एंड लेट्स सी 2021 यूट्यूब को कहाँ तक लेके जाता है. एंड फॉर विंटर वेकेशन मेरे प्लान बहुत हैं कि अभी मैं और ज़्यादा काम करूँगा यूट्यूब पे. सो हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ दिस एटमॉस्फेयर फैमिली. एंड अगेन थैंक यू फॉर एवरीथिंग, फॉर लाइकिंग, सब्सक्राइबिंग, शेयरिंग एंड इवन वॉचिंग. गाइस मेरी जूरी ख़त्म हो गई है एंड अब मैं शाम को जाऊँगा जिम. एंड मेरा जो वर्कआउट है वो लेग वर्कआउट है. एंड मेरे जैसा कि मैंने पहले बता रखा है, मैं 3 सेट करता हूँ हर एक्सरसाइज के. सो स्क्वाट्स होंगे, लंजेस होंगे. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज जो मैं करूँगा. और स्टार्टिंग में कार्डियो, देन लेग वर्कआउट. दैट्स ऑल आई हैव प्लान फॉर द डे. तो अब विंटर वेकेशन है, तो आई कैन टोटली enjoy this winter vacation by doing whatever I like to do. So yeah, let's go to gym and enjoy my workout.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude.